Hi guys, Kat here. So today we're going to be talking yet again about airbrush makeup. You know I love everything airbrush makeup. It doesn't matter what it is, whether it's airbrush makeup itself or the compressors. So today we're going to be talking about the Pinkiou air compressor. This can be found on Amazon for a very reasonable price. If you want to know more about this particular unit, stay tuned. So let's take a look at this little compressor a little up close and personal. If you see, this is a very simple design. It's a box. There is no lights, bells or whistles, no dials. It's a one-touch system. It's got a really nice stylus holder over here to the side. And let me just grab that so you can see it. And it just slides right in, so it works perfect. The battery charger here on the wall does have an indicator light that it's charging. And it has a short cord as well. And as I said, the hose itself, the air hose, is very short. That's an easy fix. You can just change that out. But for personal use, I think it's fine. For the compressor itself, even though it's a one-button system, it does have 3 speeds. So if you turn it on, you see that that's kind of like a hot pink almost, and that is 1 speed. If you hit it again, notice how the colors change to like a bluish tone. That's going to be yet another. And then one more is almost like an orange-red combination. That is the last speed. Now, I don't know if you could tell by sound. Let me just turn it off. If you can tell by sound, this is not a real quiet compressor. It's not a real loud compressor either. But let's just listen to the sounds as we turn it on. So if you remember the last Pinkiou compressor that I did, I was talking about how the speed, and this was on the handheld, and I'll put a link up here for you so you can see that. But I talked about basically how it went from high to low, and my preference would be go from low to high. Well, in this particular one, if you listen, it goes literally from medium to high to low. And that's how this particular compressor works here. So I want to go ahead and do a little bit of testing for you. So I've chosen 3 different makeup mediums for you. I've got Luminous here. A lot of people use Luminous. If you've ever watched another one of my videos or any of my videos, I talk a lot about makeup medium and its consistency. So Luminous is pretty thin. Shouldn't have any problems whatsoever. We also have Dinar. Radiance is one of my favorite lines, and so we're going to be testing that. And then, of course, Kat. Kat is also another one of my favorites. Love Kat Cosmetics as well. But we're going to be testing those on this piece of paper for you, and we're going to see how this compressor works with the different makeup mediums. Wanted to show you this with no flash and flash, hindsight being 50-50. Probably should have used a different color for Ket, but that Ket color, oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. You just have to look at it. I actually have exercise sheets for this, but I didn't use it for this example. But here's Luminous and Dinar, no particular spray patterns, just spraying the makeup. And then we have Dinar and Ket Cosmetics, and just showing you what that looks like. So what are my final thoughts about the Pinkiou Airbrush Makeup System? It's under $50. It's a great find, truly. I know that they sent this to me at no charge as part of Amazon Prime Day and me being a Pinkiou customer, but it was something that I chose because I love airbrush makeup and I love the systems and I like testing all the systems, but they are expensive. I have systems that cost anywhere from $99 all the way up close to $600. And to find something that's affordable, that's under $50, that works well, has 3 different speeds, and all the makeup mediums work on this particular compressor at low, hey, for me, great find. So I wanted to share that with you. Pinkiou didn't even ask me to make a video. I just wanted to make the video for you because as a consumer and because I absolutely love airbrush makeup, and I think more people should be airbrush makeuping, if you will, I wanted to just let you know there are systems out there that are good, that are affordable, and this one proved to be very well. Again, other than dry tip, which I get with a couple of the other units that I use, it's common. I didn't have any problems. So today I'm actually giving this Pinkiou system a thumbs up. If you like this video, I hope you equally give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you would like to see more videos like this, let me know down below. And if you want to know when I upload a video and you want to get that notification right away, there is a notification bell that you can hit so that you'll get notified of that via email. But as always, guys, hey, thanks for watching.